The people of Jannah, may Allah make us from them. The companions of Jannah. People that hang out with each other in Jannah, Ashabul Jannah. Ashab here doesn't just imply that they're the people of Jannah. It means they want to be in Jannah, they want to stay in its company, they don't want to go anywhere else. You know, you stay in some place for a long time, you're like, we should get out. You stay at home for a long time, I want to go somewhere. I haven't gone out anywhere for a long time. You stay out for a long time, I just want to go home. You stay in the same city, man, I wish I got to see New York City, I wish I got to see LA, I wish I got to go somewhere. You know? But Ashabul Jannah, they just stay there. This is awesome. You want to go somewhere? No, bro. The place can come to us. We don't have to go. We're in Jannah. Fi shughulin. There are going to be in activities. There are activities in Jannah, guys. Shughul means you're busy. You're busy doing stuff. You know, when my daughter was young, she said, is there going to be Elmo in Jannah? Giant Elmo? I said, I hope not. I'm not sure if that looks like Jannah at that point, but sure, whatever you want, child. You know. But you got activities, a ball game going on. It's like a pool table from Jannah. You can't miss a shot. It doesn't matter how bad you are in this dunya. There's ping pong. You think PS3 is a good system? Man, you're in the game. You're in it. It's not even virtual. It's real. All these activities are happening. All these different things. You know, you go into like I don't recommend going into one of those, but one of those Dave & Buster's or like one of those toy Chuck E. Cheese. There's all this crazy stuff, overstimulated stuff that gives you a headache. Like it's kind of psychotic if you look at it, the overstimulation of colors in those places, right? But imagine you walk into Jannah and there's stuff. It's not like a quiet garden where you just, in Jannah we're just going to sit in a picnic. And what do? Another picnic. You know, it's great for uncles and aunties. They love picnics. But the rest of you are like, let's do something, man. Let's go play some ball. Let's go swimming. You know, let's go check out what's at the bottom of the ocean. Everybody's doing stuff. You're just shughul. Shughul actually means you're immersed in something. Not amal, shughul. You're preoccupied. You're so into it. And then Allah adds fakihun. They're so happy doing it. They're so happy doing it. You know, the closest thing to this, which doesn't compare at all, is like Six Flags. But even at Six Flags, there's lines. And then there are people crying on the roller coaster. I'm never going to do this again. Like me, I cry on roller coasters. You know, my sister's a daredevil. She goes to all of them. I go to one of them and I'm like, okay, inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Where I don't need to see Malakul Maut ever again until the time comes. Okay, I don't need an early invitation. But they go and sometimes the ride was okay. Man, we waited all this time and it wasn't even worth it. There's no wait. There's no boredom. There's no disappointment. Every activity is like, and you have to pick. Should we go to this one or that one? This one looks better. There you can't even pick. They're all awesome. And there's no rush. It's not like Eid day over here where there's going to be a long line at the halal hot dog stand and you're going to end up in a fight with some other Muslim to celebrate the true nature of a brotherhood in Ramadan. You know, none of that's going to happen there. You got all the time in the world. Your ticket doesn't expire. So we'll do that, then we'll do that, then we'll do that. And there's no exhaustion. وَمَا لَنَا مِن لُغُوبٍ. We don't have any exhaustion. There's no nasab. I can't even stand anymore. Can we sit down? Can we just relax? No, it's okay. You got energy for everything. One after the other, after the other, after the other. That's the joy of Jannah. فِي شُغُلٍ فَاكِهُونَ. Faqih actually means something that puts a smile on your face. From it we get the word fakiha, a fruit that puts the smile on your face. You bite it and you just smile. You can't even help yourself. You know? Hum wa azwajuhum fi dhilal. Them and their spouses are going to be in these shades. Ala al-araiki, on top of cushions and couches. Muttaki'un, reclining back. So even if they do want to relax from one of those shughul, they sit with their wonderful spouse. Isn't this great? Yeah. Oh, this is a great couch. The shade is so amazing. This amazing scenery is being described in Jannah. لَهُمْ فِيهَا فَاكِهَةٌ. And on top of that, they will have in it, in the shade, they'll have fruits presented to them. Fruits that make them smile. Fakiha. Ooh, that looks like strawberries. You bite it? No, this is something totally different. You got to try this. And they try the next one, and completely different. هَذَا الَّذِي رُزِقْنَا مِنْ قَبْلِ. This was what we were given before. They're like, no, it looks like it. أُتُوبِهِ مُتَشَابِهًا. It's made to look like it, but every time they bite it, it's like, whoa. taste explosion. Let me try another one of those, and another one, and it keeps getting better. And you're just enjoying this with your spouse. هُمْ وَأَزْوَاجُهُمْ فِي ظِلَالٍ عَلَى الْأَرَائِكِ مُتَّكِئُونَ لَهُمْ فِيهَا فَاكِهَةٌ. And then they enjoy these fruit, and then they remember, I wonder if they have chicken shawarmas here. I wonder if they make biryani in Jannah. They have baklava in Jannah. They have couscous. They have baba ganoush. Adana kebab. Have any of that? And then you just ask the question, وَلَهُمْ مَا يَدَّعُونَ, and whatever they place an order for shows up. Have you asked? This is the Jannah version of it. And you eat it and you're like, oh, your eyes just, the smile on your face. Now that is a chicken shawarma. That's what you call a samosa. Jannah versions of fruits, Jannah versions of whatever you can call. Now, whatever you can call on, where's your memory from? Dunya. Whatever your memory is from, dunya. So Allah gives you the Jannah version of it. So all the best food you've ever had, all the most beautiful things you've ever enjoyed, and it's not limited to food. These orders are not limited to food. These are limited to anything you wanted in this world and you said, no, in Jannah is better. It's haram here. I don't want here, I want in Jannah. You just have the thought in your head, and poof. Salamun. And then there's something you couldn't even imagine.